Hello, my name is Race, and today I will be showing you how to add transitions and animations to your presentation. Using transitions and animations can add flair to your presentation instead of you just casually going between slide to slide. A transition is what happens when you go between two slides. So say I want to add a transition between my title slide and dogs. So I would go up here to transitions, and then I can go to this drop down arrow right here, and these are all the available ones that I can pick from. So you can do ones that just fade, push, or you can get a little bit more creative like a ripple or a honeycomb. So I'll do the ripple this time. I'll add that, and that's how it'll transition. So say you go into a slideshow, start from the beginning. So say when you start your presentation, hello, my name is Ray Skinzer. Today I will be showing you how to add transitions to your slides. And I will press down, and that's how it'll transition. So let me go back. And then say I want to add an animation. So animation to this cute little dog picture. Go up here to animations. Select the picture or the text box that you want to add a animation to, and same thing with the transitions. You'll select the drop down arrow. This is all the emphasis you can do. So like entrance, I want it to bounce. Well, there's a bounce one somewhere right there. So that's how it'll enter into the slide. So I'm gonna go back to slideshow from beginning. And then I'll go down, and the dog picture won't be there yet. But when you press down again, the picture of the dog will come in with the animation, and it will bounce, like so. And then see how I just didn't add the transition to that one. So I can go back, and then go to transitions, and I want to go with an airplane. Bam. So I will go to this one, go to present from current slide. It'll pull up the ripple effect, my animation, and then it'll pull up another transition. Bam. And that is how you add transitions to your presentation. Thank you.